Hey y'all, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023-22 Bennington SX quad bench. This boat just arrived, guys. This is a tri-tune with the SPS package. Beautiful boat. Walk down the side so you can have a good look, and then we'll take a look at the inside. Again, guys, this is a 22-foot SSRX. This will have the Yamaha 150. This does have the SPX tri-tune package. Stepping aboard. Again, it is the quad bench, full Simtex upholstery throughout the whole boat. Plenty of storage underneath all the seats. Plenty of cup holders. Nice table here in the bow with portable cup holders. Guys, all Benningtons come equipped with a 10-foot bimini top, as you can see is opened here in the video. Beautiful boat, guys. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see that we did upgrade the stereo to the Rockford Fosgate. We did put the Garmin Striker 4 centered in the dash. Guys, for more information, please visit our website or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. We have some great boats in stock and love to show them to you. Thank you and have a good day.